It's scrubbing day for the laundry room floor. We do this on Saturdays because I keep the trash can in here, you know? And throughout the week, people like to treat the trash can as a basketball goal and just open the door and throw trash in here, and it hits the wall and it hits the floor. So on Saturdays, we just scrub this area. This part over here, we just scrub the, you know, that floor like every, I don't know when it needs it, but right here, we've started doing it once a week because it needs it in here. Plus, there's a lot of traffic here coming in from the garage into the house, you know. There's actually something really satisfying about the dirt removing from the grout though. So we've been doing a lot of outside and inside cleaning up. I'm gonna get this food going. I've already got some fish in the oven because some people wanted fish. I'm gonna cook some of these chicken nuggets in the air fryer. Then I'm gonna cook these chicken wings in the air fryer. It's random, find what you want to eat, and we'll make it real quick day around here. Air fryer, 330, 6 to 8 nuggets, cook for 12 minutes. Okay. These are actually a lot bigger than they look on the bag. So it says nuggets, but you know, they're bigger than your average chicken nugget. Like, look at that one. Okay. Okay, so Sissy and Manly chicken nuggets. It's definitely smelling like fall in here today. We've got this spiced pumpkin candle going. This is not the one I ordered. I ordered a smaller, I think it was just called pumpkin spice or something. I mean, you know, spiced pumpkin, kind of the same thing. But anyway, I ordered the smaller one and they didn't have it, so they substituted for this one. I also got another wax warmer because mine, I thought that it just needed a new bulb, but when I switched the bulb, it still doesn't work. And we're melting fallen leaves in that. And over here in the little iron skillet wax warmer. A lot of y'all ask where I got this from. I got it from the cottage, is it Cottage or Candle Cottage? I think it's called the Candle Cottage in Gatlinburg. That's where I got this wax warmer from. So you just put the, you know, melts inside the little iron skillet and it melts it in there. A little bit of fall, is it fall jazz? No, it's summer jazz, right? A little summer jazz on the TV, it evens it out. Summer scenes outside and on the TV, but fall smells. It's great. We took the kids to Dahlonega yesterday to do the Bears on the Square scavenger hunt, and it's also their Christmas in July. If y'all missed that video, I'll link it down below. So seeing all that Christmas stuff really gets you in the mood for fall and the holidays and all that. Someone also requested refried beans, so we've got those, and avocado. Go ahead and slice these up. The chicken nuggets are almost done, and then I'll put the wings in. And the fish should be done in just about 5 or 6 more minutes. This little pit remover does not work the greatest. That came with this avocado slicer. It just does not work the greatest. Okay, my slicer did not want to do the greatest with those avocados. Like, they have to be the perfect softness for it to really slice them and all really good. Anyway, I'm gonna slice up some carrots and cucumbers too. Like I said, this is just a random, tell me what you want, I'll make it real quick.
Popsicle disappeared, so we're gonna look for it.
Y'all, I seriously just took out a raspberry Outshine bar. They taste like raspberry push-ups. Do y'all remember way back when push-ups made orange grape and raspberry. Anyway, they tasted like that, the raspberry ones. I didn't want the whole popsicle, so I took it out and I cut a little piece off the top and I ate it. And then I was like, I want another piece, so I cut another little piece off and I ate it, and I don't know where the rest of that popsicle went because I was gonna get another piece, but it has disappeared. That is so weird. I searched through the popsicle tray. All of these are brand new, none opened. That's crazy. It really just disappeared, y'all. I mean, how did a popsicle disappear? It's like half of a raspberry outshine bar. I don't know, that's weird.
I ate
Did you?
it. Yeah.
You didn't. I didn't even see you with it.
That's because I ate it quicker than the speed of light.
Oh, okay.
I did, okay. Now, how did it walk up and get away?
I don't know. It seems like it did. I gotta go switch out the laundry. Maybe I won't lose the laundry.
Yeah. I don't know how Slinkies can actually still do that. It showed it doing it perfect on the box. But sometimes when I try, this spot will go up like that.
Mm-hmm. Things don't always do like it shows on the box, does it?
Uh-huh. The box lies. Look at this. See my hand right here?
Mm-hmm.
Wait a minute, let me try that again. That's how I did it. Spin around.
Okay, try to get one over that way. There's a cow one and an elephant and a. Okay, we got this one. Yo, oh no! It lets you go again if it didn't go down. Yeah, this is a win every time.
You get the win here. I got it right there.
I don't know. We got that one. Here's this one. We ate at Rib Country, y'all, for our date night.
Yep.
And we promised the kids we'd bring them a rubber duck.
I've been shooting horses.
Try to get that one now with the baseball hat or something on right there, that green one. You see it?
That's what I'm saying. Like, this thing won't go over, but somebody's got to shake this
No, I mean,
thing.
like, is it?
It won't let you go.
Look, see that green one right there? That bright green one over. Up. See him? He's laying right there.
I see him.
That's him. That's him. That's him.
I worry that I can't. Let's see. I got him.
Oh, you got him by the hat. Oh.
I'll get him this time.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, there's a blue one. There's a. You could try to get that blue one with pink hearts for Sissy.
Blue one with pink hearts.
Yeah, right there. See it right here.
Let's talk about this. This thing won't go over but so far. See, as far as it goes.
Okay.
It wants to do the green one again.
Oh, and try to get that puppy.
It wants the green one. There it is. Oh, you got the orange one. Good job. Have a good night.
Okay, so what do we got? We got a. Is that like a owl?
That's like a raccoon.
Oh, okay, raccoon. We got a lucky duck. Oh, sit, that one's got a little hair bow.
Sissy's gonna love that.
And then this one is like a tiger.
Yeah.
What we got? Bacon. This side's maple, this is, I think, like hickory smoked or something.
water now?
Yeah.
Manly's got some chocolate on him, everybody.
Sissy made cupcakes last night.
Woo!
Okay, y'all. It is now Monday. We just got a delivery order. I've had to do delivery the past couple of times because y'all remember last week or the week before when whatever happened with the van happened and the battery was dead and we had to jump it off. Well, it worked that time, but then whenever I went to crank it again, it would not crank. Turns out we just had to get a new battery. So all was great. We went to Aldi. On our way there, my brake light started flashing and I was like, what is this? My van is lighting up like a Christmas tree. Turns out something is going on with the brakes. Titus knows what it is. He told me, but I forgot because whenever they start talking about car things, words and all, my brain just kind of shuts off and I'm like, okay, tell me when it's fixed. So I can't drive the van right now until he gets time to fix the brakes or whatever, but that's okay. We have delivery options. I'm gonna make some chicken wraps for lunch. So I got this sweet kale chopped salad kit. We're gonna make this salad kit and that's what we're gonna put on the wraps with the chicken. We have sweet and crispy baby butter leaf and baby crispy green lettuce blend. Got some mint, some strawberries. I'm gonna make a strawberry salsa too to go with the chicken wraps. We have pepper jack cheese, Colby Jack, bananas, which are some pretty ones. So I'm gonna leave all this stuff out because we're gonna make the salsa and the wraps here in just a minute. I don't think I need the cheese. We need this though, not this, okay. I got a couple of new snacks for the kids to try. I mean, they might not be super new, but we've never tried them. I got the Pringles chili cheese fries and some of these Pop'ems golden mustard barbecue. I think we tried these Pop'ems before, but it wasn't this flavor. You wanna try a Pop'em?
What are they? Are they pumpkins?
It's a light and crispy pretzel snack. No, they're not pumpkins. Walmart already is advertising, and if you go to the grocery part to order groceries, they're already advertising pumpkin spice creamer and something else pumpkin. I can't remember what it was. These smell good. These are really good. They taste like hot fries. Pringles chili cheese fries. You can tell it's lunchtime. Everybody's, well, me and Manly were the only two. We're ready to eat. It tastes like a corn dog. It's not like a terrible thing, but I don't know what I was expecting, but it tastes like corn dogs in chip form. The Pop'ems though, the little pretzel things, those are great. Spinach wraps, this is for the chicken wraps we're about to do. Oh, Cece. She went and got dressed for fall. We have limes and avocados. I got the Better Homes and Gardens Farmhouse Pumpkin Patch Wax Melts. I'm not sure if I've ever tried this specific scent. I've had the Farmhouse Apple Pumpkin. I don't know that we've ever had this one before, but we might have. It smells good. Toothpaste. I'm still holding on to summer. I mean, I have fall candles and stuff going, yes, but I'm not ready for it to get cold. So I'm still holding on to summer for that. I just want to smell fall. But I'm glad when I go outside that it's warm and you don't need any type of jacket or anything like that. I got this chicken for the wrap so I wouldn't have to shred it or anything. Got some bacon. I think the reason everybody thinks fall when August gets here is because that's when school starts back now. See, when we were kids, and even before us, school didn't start back until September. Or if it did start in August, I can't remember when I was a teenager if they had finally starting back in August. I can't remember for sure. But if they did, it was very late August. Like it was, you know, in the 20-somethings of August 25th or something. But now school starts back in August. And I think that we just still associate going back to school as being in the fall, even though now it starts back in the summer. And so everybody just thinks fall. We have some dark chocolate, pepper, ketchup, Cosmic Crisp apples. Walmart didn't have the sugar bee or whatever it's called, honeybee or sugar bee. Those are my favorites right now. I tried to order those Siete cinnamon churro strips. They didn't have those in stock, so I got these Popcorners cinnamon crunch chips. They're good. They'll be good with the strawberry salsa. We got hot dog buns, mayonnaise, vanilla, maple syrup, salsa, and a watermelon, which they put in a bag, and I've never seen them do that before, but watermelon. That's it. I didn't need too much stuff this time. So I'm just chopping up some strawberries, and I think I'm gonna add a little mango. So it'll be a strawberry mango salsa. I think this is gonna be enough strawberries. Strawberry and mango looks really pretty together. Okay, we're going to put about a tablespoon and a half of honey and just a little drop of vanilla, about a 1/4 teaspoon. We'll put a little squeeze of lime juice in here. You can use lemon. Okay, we'll mix that all together. And we'll just let this sit over here while we make the chicken wraps. I made some bacon in the air fryer real quick. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put a little mint in here too, I forgot. I'm not gonna really chop it up. We're just gonna put the leaves in here and stir it. Give it a little taste test. Yeah, that's good. So we'll just mix up this sweet kale chopped kit for the wraps real quick. Got some dried cranberries and all in there, and this is a creamy poppy seed dressing. I'll chop up some of the bacon real quick. Okay, so we've got our spinach wrap. We're just going to put some of the chicken and the bacon. And then some of the kale. It's kind of like a slaw. And there we